Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure high yield savings for investing backups. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure high yield savings for investing backups, start by choosing a reputable high yield savings account provider. Research various banks and credit unions to find the best interest rates available. Ensure the provider you select is insured by the FDIC or NCUA for security. Open your chosen account by visiting the provider's website and completing the application form. Provide necessary personal information, including your social security number and identification details. Fund your new high-yield savings account by linking it to your primary checking account. Transfer an initial amount that you are comfortable setting aside for backup investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your high-yield savings account. Schedule these transfers monthly or bi-weekly to maximize your savings effortlessly. Regularly review your account statements to track your earnings and ensure the interest is accumulating as expected. Consider setting savings goals to determine how much to set aside regularly for your investing backups. Keep your high-yield savings separate from your regular spending to prevent accidental withdrawal. Monitor the interest rates periodically and stay informed about any changes in terms or fees from your provider. Adjust your savings strategy if necessary, moving funds to a different provider if you find better rates elsewhere. Once your high-yield savings account reaches a desirable level, transfer funds to your investment account as needed. Use these funds as a safety net for your investment activities, ensuring you have liquidity when necessary. By following this process, you can effectively configure high-yield savings for your investing backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.